I know it's very late, but I thought I would do a walk around since I just finished cleaning the car. Let's see if that would be a failure or successful. I don't know. Let's see. It's very, very dark, but you'll be able to see the color, so it should be alright. Let's start. So these are 22 wheels. You have side step. To be honest with you, I think it's an aftermarket side step, and I'm not too happy about it, but it is what it is. There are side steps and they do the job. The wheels are very nice. You can see here red calipers. I didn't paint them. This is how I bought them. The paint job is not the best, but you know, they look good, I think. Now let's show you from the inside. Obviously it has lights, so you can change the light to whichever color you want. It's nice and clean inside. No rips in the leather. Perhaps a little bit of wear and tear, but that is it. There's no actual rip. And this is how it looks like from inside. It's nice. Let me show you in the back as well. Here it looks like barely been used, to be honest with you. All new. You can see here. And then again here with the light, all looking nice. It's a 3-zone climate, so they can control their own climate over here in the back, and it's heated seats, so all nice. Okay, let's go in a bit in the back. So it does not have a sunroof, so that's another thing. It does not have sunroof. So let's go in the back. Again, with regards to the paint, I think it looks kind of alright. It has a ceramic coating, obviously. That's why it looks shiny, and it's been waxed. The tow bar, obviously it is a tow bar, but it's supposed to be deployable tow bar, but it does not work as a deployable. It just works as just a fixed tow bar, just like any other car. For example, that car there, it's just like a normal tow bar. So yeah, but anyway, I think it gives it like an aggressive look, so it's not too bad. Let's open the boot. Here, that's it. It has a rear camera, so that's nice. Over here, it's nice and clean inside. So you can fold and unfold the seats from here. You can see. This is the button for the tow bar, but I disconnected the cable because if it's connected, it just goes like it makes a sound. And to be honest with you, I didn't get around to fix the tow bar. So this gets hooked on the top like that, and you can access the full-size spare wheel. You can see, and that's how it looks like. Obviously that's the compressor underneath it, like that. And then in the back here you have the jack, scissor jack. So it looks nice. Let me put it down. Okay, so now the parcel shelf. That's how it works. You just pull it that way, and then that's it. Okay, and then that's how you do it. So the parcel shelf has wear and tear on it as well. You can't tell, you know, a lot, but it has some wear and tear on it. Obviously, being a 2014, you know, you could expect that. That's how it is from the top. Nothing is damaged, nothing is broken. You can see. Okay, if I close, you can see that's how it closes. Of course, it's a soft close. So what I mean by soft close, let me show you here. First of all, it goes the same thing, nothing different. They are adjustable seats for the back, but if I do this, did you see that? So let's do it one more time. So if I do this, closes, and then all of that paint, that's the paint. No damages or anything. So that's the inside, all nice and clean. Okay. Side step again, same thing. Wheel, another wheel, of course. Let's have a look at here. That's the inside of the car. This is the leather. Normal wear and tear, no rips. You can see here, no rips or anything like that. I'll zoom in here so you can see. That's how it looks like, but no rips. Okay, and this is how you control it. Over here, obviously you have, let me show you. You have heated steering wheel. you have the adaptive cruise control, and then you have auto, of course the auto wiper blade, and then here you have the auto headlights assist and so on. And then in the center here, when you lift that, let me see if I can show you. If you lift that up, you have the fridge. Okay. So the screen is, of course, is dual screen, so you can watch TV. Passenger can watch TV while the driver can obviously use the navigation. And I have accidentally turned on the lights on that car. Let me turn them off. I don't know why I turn them on. And it's the same thing, by the way. This one you can turn on the lights and so on. I'll show you how you do that actually. Let's get the key. So that's the key. Let me show you how we do that. So over here, you do turn on the light like that. They are adaptive, by the way, so they turn whatever you. So if you're steering left, they go left. If you're steering right, they go right. Also here it has a cornering lights. So what it means is when you turn right and left, it has a beam on the side as well to help you navigate. And you can see the bonnet is open, and I kept it open here on purpose because I'm about to show you the engine. That's the engine, nice and clean. Okay, and I'm gonna turn on the car for you so you can see actually, and I'm gonna do my best. There's no editing, so I'll do it all in one cut. So as you can see, okay, let's turn on the car. So turn on. Okay. And then let me show you how the engine sound. Let's go from here. That's the engine. Okay. And that's how the car looks like with the lights on. And let me show you the exhaust in the back. Okay. That's the exhaust. No smoke. Smoke. Let me get close to it as well, show you. Oh, there's no smoke, it's all good. These are the lights from the back. Car looks beautiful. Car looks very beautiful. Now there are some wear and tear here. I don't know you can see, but they are not as shiny, but something tells me that they are aftermarket. I don't know if they are genuine, these ones in the back and in the front. I think they are not genuine. I think someone has modified them. Now the only scratch I can see on the car really is this bit here, which in the right, that's it. Can you see that? It's not actually a scratch. I don't know where it is. It's not, just like barely you can see it. Yeah. Oh, let me show you the hazard lights if you're interested. Let's turn on the hazard lights. Okay, so that's how the hazard lights look like. That's how it looks like. It's nice. To be honest with you, I really like the car. I like the colors. The colors on this car is better than that car, to be honest with you. I prefer this one. Now side step, like we discussed about the side step can be taken out, so you can take it out and chuck it in the bin if you don't like it, because I know a lot of people don't like side steps and they prefer it like that, which yeah, totally understand. Mud flaps, so it has front mud flap and it has a rear mud flap as well. That's how the car looks like from the back. Yeah, I know it's very dark, but at least, you know, I thought I would just show you the car since I just finished cleaning the car. Yeah, I know this is a very bad video. Actually, maybe it's the worst video I've ever done in my life. The light is very bad, the sound is very bad, but I hope you can hear me. The engine is very quiet. Listen. It's very quiet. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. This video specifically for the people who requested the video, for the purposes of the auction, of course. And I'll see you soon on the main channel. It's going to be an amazing video coming up.